Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam Sri Guru Vaishnavangscha. One should take advantage of this favorable condition and cross over this ocean of Nissan.
Many people, they don't want to accept a captain. They want to go all alone.
Let them be drowned. Who can check them? If they do not accept good captain, let them be drowned. There is no regret for them. Let them go to hell. That they are going actually. For their dog's obstinacy, they are going to hell. Adanta gobhi vidatang tamissam. This is said. Because they cannot control their senses. They are going to hell.
Swamiji, is there any hell or paradise existing?
Yes, why not?
Above the world?
Why not?
Or in the world?
Huh? You know everything what is where? Do you know? Then why do you ask this question? There is. There is planet. Hell is planet.
I don't know. I have thought about this, that the hell or the paradise exists only in this world itself.
Because you are the frog of the well. The frog of the well thinks this well is everything. And if you say there is Atlantic Ocean, he cannot imagine. The frog of the well. You know, frog of the well?
Yes.
A 3 feet well. And a
this.
frog is there, and he's thinking this is everything. And some friend comes and informs, oh, I have seen very big water, Atlantic. He simply imagines, it's big. How much big? 1 foot more? Or like 2 feet? Or like 3 feet? Like. So the frogs in the well, they cannot understand. You should be not a frog in the well. You should be able to hear from the authorities, Vedas. Then you'll understand. And if you remain a frog in the well, all these rascal scientists, they are all frog in the well. They have got little calculation of this planet and they have no information. There are so many millions of planets. What do they know? They could not study even this moon planet. Wrongly studied. The moon planet is above the sun planet, 1,600,000 miles above. What do they know? They are thinking the moon planet is in between the earth and so they all wrong calculation.
Swamiji, it has been said that as we act, we take birth according to our action. So if we have done thing, we must take birth according to the law of God.
You must take birth.
Yes.
That is a fact. You cannot avoid it. But according to karma, you have to take birth.
But therefore, this means that you pay what you have wrought. Yes. Therefore, do you think that
when this heart is torn, you have to purchase one sart.
Yes.
Now that sart you have to purchase according to your price.
Yes.
If you have good price, then you get a good sart. If you have no money, then you get a bad sart.
I wanted to say this, Swamiji, that hell also is situated in this world itself, because where do you think that we can pay our debt? The sin, the debt of our sin. Where do you think that we pay it? In the hell, which is not
hell is the place for your punishment.
Therefore, it is on the earth itself.
Why earth?
In the planet's earth, no?
No, it can be
in any planet.
Many millions miles away.
But it is not located. Only hell is located in one place, or a paradise located in another place. Do you think so, Swamiji? But there are many
different planets.
There are many people who in this world itself that.
So they are first of all trained up in that hellish planet and then they come here to suffer the same standard of life.
When our soul gets out from our body, do you think it goes to the hell or
Hellish planet.
hemisphere, or it takes birth immediately afterward?
Yeah, those who are sinful, they do not take immediately birth. They first of all trained up in the hellish planet how to suffer, to become accustomed, and then they are taken birth and suffer. Just you pass IAS, then you become an assistant to the magistrate, you learn, and then you are posted as magistrate. Even if you are fit for going back to home, back to Godhead, you are first of all transferred to the universe where Krishna is now present. And there you become accustomed, then you go to real misery.
Therefore, after our death,
every arrangement by God is perfect. Purnam. Purnamada. Purnamidam. Purnat. Whatever is created by God, that is perfect.
So all of the associates of Lord Chaitanya also were... All of the associates of Lord Chaitanya also were in the same position.
Yeah.
Liberated souls. Does Lord Chaitanya appear just after Krishna? In every universe.